Welcome to Jordan Morrison Racing. I love cars, motorbikes, anything with an engine. Good morning guys, and welcome to another vlog on my track bike, which is now running. I'm absolutely buzzing. Like, I've got a working track bike and I bought her for £1,000. I am so happy. So I cannot wait to get her on track. It is a real bargain, this bike. And if I've been her, not bothered. And I most likely will come off track because I am an absolute novice. I'm not very good on a motorbike. It's all shits and giggles, isn't it, at the end of the day? But anyway, regardless of that, what's happened since last time was Rob was fault finding, got the bike running, we worked out it was a fuel pump, but before that what we didn't do was service her. We then serviced her. There was a lot of condensation within the brake lines. It's got braided lines on it, but they were dead spongy, so we changed that fluid. We dropped all the oil out of the engine, changed that. He's basically gone meticulously around the bike and said that needs changing, that needs servicing, that needs doing, and I've just said to Rob, go for it. A massive thanks to Adam, huge thanks for sorting everything out. So basically we're gonna check any other little bits that I need to before we put the race fairings on, get the race fairings on, get a track day booked at some point, which is pretty daunting actually, because I'm an absolute novice at this. I wouldn't even say I'm a novice. I've been riding on the road for less than a year and I got knocked off, and since then I've not been on a bike. So it'd be quite interesting actually jumping on a race circuit on a bike. I mean, I know in a car where to be on a race circuit, but I have no idea on a bike. I've never had my knee down, so this is all a new experience for you to follow and laugh at me. My little brother's just turned up, so big shout to him. It was my birthday the other day and he bought me this toolkit, which is a Halford's motorist toolkit, so thank you very much for that, bro. You can find my brother at Northwest Germans, and they're on Instagram and Facebook. He's got his own page and doing his own thing, so good luck with that, bro. I mean, let's be honest, I don't even know how to change the wheel on a motorbike, so I'm as novice as can be with this. Yeah, let's crack on and get some fairings on her, make her look like an actual race bike. So I'm just going to try and use this Halford's toolkit that I got off my brother as a birthday present, rather than use my two big toolboxes, and just see if I can put everything back on the bike just using this simple toolkit. Pretty happy, considering that we didn't know whether she was going to run, and now she actually looks like a piece of equipment, a tool that will now do its job. And yeah, I just can't wait to get out on it now. I think that's the next step, obviously. And considering I'm new to bikes, you know, that was fairly easy. I put it together with that Halford's kit, so thank you very much, bro, for that. Really appreciate it. And yeah, didn't need any big tools, just did it on the front here whilst filming. It wasn't that difficult. It's got a lot of quick release bits, which really helps, and she's basically ready to go. She sounds good. It's just a shame that I can't ride her because she's not got any tax, she's not got any MOT on her, so I can't take her on the road. But going forward from here, what's there to do now except for my first track day? And you know, there's no point in tidying up the fairings. I realised that, even though when I was doing the bodywork it is fairly shoddy, there's no point in tidying her up, because most likely I'm 90% sure I'm going to come off at some point. So next video will hopefully be me booking a track day, maybe. We'll see. Anyway, all the best. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'm going to be bringing some pretty cool content. Not just motorbikes, as I said. So watch out for that. Thank you very much, and bye.